Sometimes all you can do is play your part and try and make a difference.
You're clear.
In position.
I need 2 shooters for a time-sensitive op.
That's some James Bond shit.
Now the real work begins.
Get in positions.
Ready for extract?
Clear.
Last trail.
Move quickly.
What's our status?
Inbound.
Know that this mission is now or never.
We're all in deeper than we thought.
The fog of war, brother. 2 sides trying to do what's right. May our courage exceed
Reloading!
our level of violence.